Congratulations to Sai on your retirement. Thank you for being a good office mate, a friend, and a sister. Para na nga lang akong member ng pamilya niyo ni Kuya Jerry. Alam ko na excited ka nang mag-retire para mas madami kang time sa family mo. Have an endless coffee time with Manong Jerry at sana magkaroon ka agad ng ako with Earl. At sana makapunta ka pa sa US at kung saan mo man gusto pumunta. Just in case na gusto mo naman ng ibang kausap, I'm just a text or call away. I'm so happy for you and I wish you all the best. Enjoy your permanent weekend ng Sai. Congrats! I'll miss you.
Sai, I am grateful that I have met you and got to work with you. I've learned so many things from you, not only on matters of work, but on life. You have been an ate, a mother, and a confidant. Your presence in this office will surely be missed. Today, I feel a bittersweet feeling because it's really very hard to let go of someone so dear. But I know you have to enjoy the fruits of your labor, and you have been longing to spend more time with your family. And for that, I'm very happy for you for reaching this milestone in your life. Maraming salamat, Ate Sai, for granting our request to extend your service until December. Gusto pa sana naming mag-extend ka pa, but of course, I know you wanted more time with your family. Congratulations on your retirement. Enjoy your days ahead. I love you, Ate Sai.
Hi, Manansay! Wow, retirement na Manansay. Amo nga daytiti nabayag mo nga urayan and ken naragsak nagpara kanyam Manansay tanadanon mo dito nga panawin. And wish ko lang enjoy mo ang new chapter ng life mo, siguro travel, kasi stress-free ka na. Wala ka nang iisipin sa work, tapos maganda na din yung health mo. At least wala ka nang iisipin. So, enjoy life, Manansay. Happy retirement!
Our nanay in our office, having a wonderful person like you as my co-worker has been a gift. I wish you a very happy retirement.
Hi, so my friend, happy retirement and cheers to no more alarm clocks, no more Monday blues, no more meetings, and no more deadlines. Just the endless naps and Netflix. Enjoy your retirement, my friend, and the endless weekends. Merry Christmas. God bless.
Honoring your 38 years of excellent service to the provincial government of Cagayan and celebrating the legacy of hard work and commitment you leave behind. Ate Sai, upat pelang kitawen ko at dakati serbisyo ti gobyernon agyaman ti pakilangin-langin ken advice mo akas may sangainang ken may sanga kabsat. Thank you. Happy retirement.